Alright, so here's my issue with this light. I had it for about a year. Great light. My issue is that this side stopped working. It doesn't take a charge. I purchased this in I think May of 2020, so just about a year. I tried emailing them, I tried calling them, but all Amazon says is that the product support is over. So I just kind of pissed off about it. It's a great light. I love this light. I wish maybe if I dropped it or if I hit it with a hammer or something like that, then yeah, I would say like, it's my fault. But you know what? It's just a matter of I plugged it in, tried different chargers, tried just about everything. Since now that the product support is over, I'm gonna see if I can open it up and maybe fix it myself. But in the meantime,